Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add border to a checkbox in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this Prepare From option. Select. Now click on this checkbox icon and draw a checkbox and click right button from your mouse for Properties and select Properties and select General option. Here you can change checkbox name. Now select Appearance option and here you will find this border color. Border color currently disabled. Now click on this border color and select here any kinds of border color. Now I'll make this border color thick and see this. Also you can change check symbol color. I'll choose this yellow color and select option. Here you can change. You can use circle, cross, diamond, square, star. I'll choose check. Now select close and preview and see this checkbox border color already added. I will again change this checkbox border color. Red and see this. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.